So usually when we use landing pages, we're using landing pages to sell, book, or promote an offer, right? Usually, we're putting forms on those pages. We're putting links to click to call on those pages. There's a lot of different, we're retargeting through those pages. There's a lot of different things that you can do through a landing page, right? But we're finding today that with AI, like the traditional landing page today, it's just not working anymore. It's not as effective anymore. And I'll give you more context as to why I believe it's just not as effective, right? Today, consumers are becoming more and more accustomed to AI technology. In short, we don't want to do much anymore. We don't want to do anything at all, right? We don't want to even click search. We have ChatGTP, we have Gemini, Microsoft is doing their own thing. And so the consumer is becoming very much just like whenever they have a problem, say, for example, like I'm going to show you an example. As a matter of fact, I'll show you right now, right? I just did a search for HVAC in Denton. This is what we're seeing, right? Let's go ahead. We're seeing that they're landing on these pages, right? But then there's nothing to engage them, right? Remember, with Gemini, with even the way you go to Google, Google now has begun introducing visitors to a new Gemini search feature where it gives you just everything that you'd like to know just instantaneously. So with these landing pages, we've come to find that it's just I see this slowly disappearing. So Jason and I went ahead and we developed our own landing page AI, a landing page that can book appointments for you without you needing to be there, can get you on calls with the visitor the minute that they land on the page. So let's say they express interest in wanting to meet with you, right? They want to meet with you right away. They don't have the time. Our AI will generate a meeting link for you to jump on a call with that lead. There's no landing page right now that can do that. Alongside that, right, it is also going to book the lead for you, presenting them with a unique form that just kind of just shows up and allows them to fill it out. So there's just nothing right now within our digital sphere that's doing that right now. So let me cut all the talking. Let me give you an example of what's actually going on out there. So I'm going to type in, let's go ahead and type in car dealerships in Austin, Texas. This is what I hate to see, right? So I'm going to go ahead and just look, Austin Infinity, right? Usually, we want to see that these are landing pages, right? Or let's do another one. Let's do injury attorney Denton, Texas, right? Just doing some homework here. So injury attorney Denton, Texas, largest accident firm. Let's just click on this one here. Let's see where it takes us. Okay, right? Not taking anything away from this. Look, they got a, a hovering banner at the top, click to call, most likely, a little bit on the attorney. Yeah, that's all good. But where this individual is missing out is he's waiting, right? So he's on the back end, just first off, he's running ads. So we already know, right, that he's just buying he's collecting the data on the back. Hopefully his ad people are doing the right thing. But basically, he has no way to be able to engage that visitor right now. So let's say I'm hurt. I got into an accident. I need help. I got to click. I got to call. I got to email. The visitor nowadays they're showing you they don't want to do that anymore. They want to be able to engage with you immediately. They want to speak to you immediately. So again, bringing it back here, imagine having an AI that did this all for you. The AI educated the visitor on your business. If you had a promotion, it'll let them know what promotion you have going on. It'll even show them a form that they could just fill out. At the end of the form, it'll show them it'll show your offer link. They don't want an offer, we will get them on a link that we will send to them to meet with you instantaneously. Okay, there's no landing page doing that right now, and we're bringing this all and more to you inside of our Red Torrent Media AI ecosystem. We're changing everything we're doing here with inside the contributors portal, and we're going to build a full-fledged AI, and this is going to be huge. This is going to be the start of a huge transition for my company, Red Torrent Media, onto Red Torrent A.I. We believe in AI. We've seen some stuff with AI that we're like, listen, this is where the market is going, and we need to start embracing this like right now. Like it's not a joke, guys. It's not a joke. This is serious business. You know, and like I mentioned earlier, Nvidia, and I got more on that. Nvidia has begun distributing chips, AI chips already. So sometime next year, believe me, you're gonna come back to this video and you're gonna be like, damn, G was right. You're gonna start seeing that the way your computer responds is a little different. Google, the way they do searches for you is different. So we got to get with the program now. The consumer wants it faster now. They want appointments with you much faster. They want to be able to engage with your business much quicker, much more effectively, okay? But on your end, you need to be more strategic with how you do that. And we're confident that with Landing Page AI, we're the first to bring this to the table because we've seen what's out there. There's chats out there that are doing some amazing things, but there's no Landing Page AI that engages and sells for you and just kind of shows everything that the visitor needs to know and just educates them. There's nobody doing that right now. So we're excited for this. Obviously, as you can already tell, June 26, 2 p.m. Eastern time. I left links down below. The next steps is up to you. You know, we're looking for our most dedicated members to come out and support. And if you're heavy in the marketing consulting space, you're serving small businesses, or heck, maybe you're already in a business. Maybe you do the marketing thing, but you got a side business. Like we got guys in our community that have side businesses, but they do the marketing thing. Come out anyway. Come out, come learn, come get educated. I got a lot of great value and education to share with you next week, Thursday. So look out for that. You have a blessed Friday, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.